Sunday and we are on the way to the studio. This morning we have a BMW owners meeting, so we're going to put on a few demonstrations, have a chat with the guys and see what cars they bring down. So stay tuned and let's check it out. So here we are, as you see. Chris is here already. Eager. Just sat in his car, lazy bastard. So we're all wrapped up, it's just gone 1:30 and we are on our way home. A massive thank you to the guys from the BMW Owners Club. Absolutely fantastic day. I hope you really enjoyed the demonstrations and hopefully we will see you soon. There was a few of you that booked in for 5 years front coating package.